when the Glenties far behind. I'll take the road out by the bay, the sight will clear my mind. It's 15 years since I've been home, I hope they've missed me too. 'Cause all those years I've been away, Kincasslagh, I've missed you. I travelled west when but a girl, it seems so long ago. I'd forgotten just how beautiful it is around Dunlow. The bay and all the islands, they fill my eyes with tears. Could I stay in London, I've wasted all these years. Now I've just passed through the Rosses, and I stopped to make a call with the girl with whom I went to school when we were very small. It made us kind of reminisce of days that we once knew. And going back to childhood dreams, Kincasslagh, I've missed you. I know I'm almost home now, 'cause it's getting rather late. I can just see our old house with my mother at the gate. It's 15 years since I've been home, I know she's missed me too. 'Cause all those years I've been away, Kincasslagh, I've missed you. Yes, all those years I've been away, Kincasslagh,